Back with a recipe to share, and it's a recipe where food waste is not a problem. Her kids eat it all. In this segment, we learn how to make apple nachos.
We are heading back to Crystal Klug's house. She is a CommonGround volunteer, and she joined us earlier in the show, and now she's back with a recipe. So you have your kids with you there. Can you tell us who they are?
Yep, this is Briggs, and he is 9. This is Coy, he just turned 5. They both need haircuts, as you can tell. This is Gentry, and she is 7.
Okay, so kids are at home due to the coronavirus issue, but you have an idea for a snack that might go well for the kids or anybody at home.
And this is by far my kids' most requested snack. It's apple nachos, and it's super easy. They're old enough that they can do it by themselves as well. Do you guys want to tell them how we're going to make this today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so what do we do first?
First, you cut the apples.
Yep, so we have 2 apples that we sliced up, and then we're going to arrange them on our plate. Yes, you're going to help me arrange them? So we have our apples arranged on the plate, and then what do we do next, guys?
Then we have peanut butter.
Yeah, so we're going to take our peanut butter, and so we microwave it for about 25 seconds, and we just take a couple spoonfuls of peanut butter, don't we? And we're going to drizzle it over our apples. And what's the last step?
You pour on chocolate chips. We like mini chocolate chips and also white chocolate chips.
Yes. You could use granola too if you wanted to, but they like chocolate chips. So, and that's about it. That's how easy it is. And like I said, our kids love this snack, and it's really easy for parents. And you can find apples anywhere, so it's a good snack to have on hand.
Very good. You guys did a great job, and that is a recipe that I think anybody can do, and it's something that the entire family can do as well. You can do this with your kids at home. So, all right, Crystal, thank you very much, and thanks, kids, for being here today.
Can you say bye?
Bye.